lecture, we will see the examples of the isomorphisms, right? Here we have given the question: in each collection of 3 graphs shown in below figures, there is exactly one isomorphic pair. Find each pair and justify your answer is correct, right? So here we have given that the 3 graphs, right? Here G1, G2 and G3. Now we have to find the two isomorphic graphs. In these 3 graphs, G1, G2, G3, we have to find 2 isomorphic graphs. Suppose first we check these 2 graphs, right? Here first we give the names of vertices. Give the name of vertices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. A, B, C, D, E and F. These are vertices. First we check these 2 graphs are isomorphic or not. Here in G1 the number of vertices are 6, right? Also in G2 number of vertices are 6. Also in G1 number of edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in G2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we can write here in graph G1 and G2 there are same number of vertices and same number of edges. Right? So for now we check the degree of vertices. Here in graph G1, in a graph G1, we check the degree of vertices. G1, degree of vertices are degree of 1 is equals to degree of 2, degree of 3, right? Degree of 4, degree of 5 and degree of 7. The vertex 1 which have degree 2, the vertex 2 which has degree 3, vertex 3 degree of 3 is 2, right? Because 2 edges are incident on 3. Degree of 4 is 3, degree of 5 is 2 and also degree of 6 is 2. Now in graph here, in graph G2, degree of V1 V5, degree of V6, degree of V1 is 2, degree of V2 is also 2, degree of V3 is 3, degree of V4 is 2, degree of V5 is 3, degree of V6 is 2, right? And also here in graph G1 there are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices which have degree 2, right? And in graph G2 there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There in graph G2 there are also 4 vertices which have degree 2, and in graph G1 there are 2 vertices which have degree 3 and also in graph G2, right? So these conditions are satisfied. Now we check the length of cycles and number of cycles in graph G1 and G2, right? So in graph G1 here cycle is 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, right? The cycle, how many cycles are there? 3 cycles. If we start from 1, then we get 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, right? So next cycle is 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, and third cycle is 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So cycle C1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. C2 is equals to 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, right? Here. And C3 is equals to 1, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 1, right? So here length of C1 is equals to here 1, number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here length of C1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Number of vertices are 4, therefore length of C1 is 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now the next cycle, length of C2 is equals to, C2 is, we start from 4, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So this cycle. So length of this cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Here length of C2 is 5. Number of vertices are here. Length of cycle means number of vertices, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore length of this cycle is 5. And also length of C3 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the number of vertices are 5. Therefore in graph G1, two cycles have length 5 and one cycle has length 4, right? Now we check in G2, right? Here first cycle is 5, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V1, right? This one cycle here. So in G2 cycle is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. This is C1. C2 is here V5, V6, V3, V4, V5. V5, V6, V3, V4, V5, right? This is C2. C3 is V5, V1, V2, V3, V6, V5. Also we can start from here V1, right? So we can start from here. If we start from V1, then we get V1, V2, V3, V6, V5, V1. You can also start from V2, right? So don't worry for starting point. Here V5, V1, V2, V3, V6. This is C3. Now length of this cycle is 1, 2 here. Length of this cycle C1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So length of C1 is equals to 5. Length of C2 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And length of C3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here again V5. Here V5, V1, V2, V3, V6, V5. Number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, length of C3 is equals to 5. If we observe in G1, right, in graph G1, there are two cycles of length 5 and one cycle of length 4. Also in G2, there are two cycles, this C1 and C3, which have length 5 and C2 has length 4. Therefore, these two graphs are isomorphic. G1 and G2 are isomorphic, right? Now, we check these two graphs and this graph. If you observe these three graphs, in G3 there is a triangle, right? Here FDC, there is a triangle, but in these two graphs G1 and G2 there is no triangle. Therefore structure of this graph is different from these both graphs. Therefore G3 is not isomorphic to G1, also G3 is not isomorphic to G2, right? Here we can say that G1 is isomorphic to G2, but G3 is not isomorphic to G1, also G3 is not isomorphic to G2, right? Now we take another example here, this one, right? We have given that these three graphs G1, G2 and G3. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, V8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? G1 and G2, G3, right? Now we check the isomorphism of three graphs. First we observe these two graphs. In graph G1 and G2, there are 8 vertices, right? In graph G1 and G2, both have 8 vertices. And number of edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 edges. Right? Now we check the degree of each vertices. In graph G1, right? Degree of 1, degree of 2, degree of 3, degree of 4, degree of 5, degree of 6, degree of 7, degree of 8. Degree of 1 is 3, 1, 2, 3. Degree of 2 is 2, degree of 3 is 3, degree of 4 is 2, degree of 5 is 1, 2, 3, degree of 6 is 2, degree of 7 is 3, degree of 8 is 2. And in graph G2, degree of V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7 and V8 here. Degree of V1 is 3, degree of V2 is also 3. Now degree of V3 is 2, degree of V4 is also 2, degree of V5 is 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Degree of similarly degree of V6 is also 3, and degree of these two vertices are 2. Now we observe here in graph G1 there are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices which have degree 3 and 4 vertices which have degree 2. Also in graph G2 1, 2, 3, 4. In graph G2 also there are 4 vertices which have degree 2 and also 4 vertices which have degree 4. Therefore in both graph in the graph G1 there are 4 vertices which have degree 3 and 4 vertices which have degree 2. Right? Similarly in graph G2. Now we check the cycles and length of cycles. In graph G2 there is first cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 outer cycle, second is inner cycle 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, right? Next cycle is this cycle and last cycle is this one. So cycle in graph G1. first cycle is 1 2 3 4 1. C2 is 1 2 3 7 6 5 1, and C3 is 1 5 8 7 3 4 1. C4 is 5 6 7 8 5. These cycles, right? First cycle is outer cycle. Next cycle is this 1 2 3 7 6 5 1. Third cycle is 1 5 8 7 3 4 1, and fourth cycle is 5 6 7 8 5. Now the length of C1. Length of C1 is equals to 1 2 3 4 because there are 4 vertices. Length of C2 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Length of C3 1 2 3 4 5 6. In length of C4 is equals to 1 2 3 4. Right? In G1, two cycles have length 6 and two have length 4, right? Now in graph G2, there are first cycle is outer cycle, then next is inner cycle, right? Then third one is this one, and fourth one is this one. So I write here C1 is V1, V2, V3, V4, V1. C2 is V1, V5, V6, V2, V1. C3 is V1, V5, V8, V7, V6, V2, V3, V4, V1, right? And C4 is V5, V6, V7, V8, V5. Now here in graph G1 there are two cycles which have length 6 and other two have length 4, right? If we observe here the cycle C3 which has length 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Therefore the length of the cycle does not match. Therefore here length of C3 is 8, but in graph G1 there is no cycle of length 8. That implies G1 is not isomorphic to G2. Now if you check the third graph G3 have here C1 is equals to A, B, C, H, A, right? C2 is equals to, we can here HC, HC, D, G, H, this cycle. Third is C3 is equals to this G, D, E, F, G. C4 is equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A, right? Also here the cycle of length is this one cycle A, B, C, D, G, H, A. This is also a cycle, right? Here there are three cycles which have length 4 in graph. Now here in G3 the next cycle is C5 is equals to A, B, C, D, G, H, A. This cycle is, right? Next cycle is this C6 which is H, C, D, E, F, G and H, right? And which have length A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length of C4 is C5 is equal to 6. Also length of the cycle is 6, and C7 is equals to here ABCD. We have done this, right? So, and also in the we have seen the cycles of G2, right? Here these 4 cycles, and another cycles are in graph G2. Another cycle is this one, V1, V2, sorry, V1, V5, V6, V4, C6 is V1, V5, V6, V2, V3, V4 and V1, right? Also length of this C5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and length of this cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now here in graph G3, right? In the graph G3, length of C1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Length of C2 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Length of C3 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Length of C4 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And length of C5 is equals to 6. Length of C6 is equals to 6, right? How many cycles in graph G2? There are 6 cycles. And in the graph G3, in the graph G3 here, this is these 2 cycles are not in G3. These 2 cycles are in G3. So there are 6 cycles in G3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 cycles have length 4, 1 cycle has length 8, and 2 cycles have length 6. Now in graph G2, length of C1, in the graph G2 here, length of C1 is 4, right? Also length of C2 is equals to 4. Length of C3 is equals to 8, right? Length of C4 is equals to 4, and length of C5 is equals to 6, and length of C6 is equals to 6. So also in graph G2 there are 3 cycles which have length 4, 1 cycle which has length 8, and 6 cycle which have length 6, and number of cycles in G3 and G2 are same, right? And though all have length same, therefore G3 is isomorphic to G2. Now the next example is here G1, G2 and G3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So now we check these 2 graphs, G1 and G2. Number of vertices in graph G1 there are 6 vertices, also in graph G2 there are 6 vertices, right? Number of edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in graph G1, G2, in the graph G1, G2, G3, number of edges are same, right? And number of vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also number of vertices are same, which are 9 and 6 respectively, right? Now we check the cycles. here you observe here. So there are three triangles. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 4 triangles. Let us check the degree of all vertices. Here degree of 1 is 2, right? Degree of 5 and degree of 3 are 2, right? In graph G1, G2 and G3. Degree, vertices, degree, vertices, degree and vertices. Degree vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Degree of 1 is 2, degree of 2 is 4, degree of 3 is 2, degree of 4 is 4, degree of 5. Here degree of 5 is 2 and degree of 6 is 4. In graph G2, degree of here V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Degree of V1 is 2. Degree of V2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Degree of V3 is also 3. Degree of V4 is 2. Degree of V5 is 4. Degree of V6 is 3. Here 1. Here we observe the degree of the vertices we have degree 2 are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 vertices in graph G1 which have degree 2, and in graph G2 1, 2. There are only 2 vertices which have degree 2. Therefore G1 is not isomorphic to G2. Now in G3, vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. Degree of A is 2, degree of B is 3, degree of C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Degree of D is 2, degree of E is 3, degree of F is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here 1, 2. Therefore in graph G3 there are also 2 vertices which have degree 2 and 2 vertices B and D which have degree 3 and 2 vertices which have degree 4. Now we check in G2. There are 2 vertices which have degree 2, then 2 vertices which have degree 3 and 2 vertices which have degree 4s, right? Therefore maybe these 2 graphs are isomorphic. Now we check here the number of cycles and length of cycles, right? Here this is first cycle V1, V6, V2 which have length 3, right? Also this one cycle which also have length 3, also this one cycle which also have length. The number of triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Number of triangles are 4. Here number of triangles are 1, this one 1, here A, B, C, A. This is a triangle. Next one is B, F, C, B. This is second one triangle. This one. Third one is here F, C, E, F. This one. Fourth one is this F, D, E, F. Right? There are 4 triangles in graph G3 and also 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles in graph G2. Right? So there are triangle means 3 vertices. Here the vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Therefore we cannot consider this big one triangle. There are 4 triangles in graph G1 and also in graph G2 there are 4 triangles. Also in graph G1 there are 4 triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now we check how many cycles are there and length of cycles. The in graph G2 first cycle is C1, V1, V2, V6, V1. C2 is V6, V2, V3, V5, V6. C3 is V5, V3, V4, V5. Right? C4 is V6, V2, V3, V5, V6. The cycle is already done. Therefore, the next one cycle is V1, sorry, V6, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. C5 is equals to V5, V3, V2, V1, V6, V5, right? Next one is C6, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V1. Then the next one is C7, V5, V2, V3, V5, right? This is triangle. Also C8 or V5, V3, V4. This is also already done. Next one is V1, V2, V6, V1 is done. So next one cycle is triangle is 1, 2, 3. V2, V3, V5. V2, V3, V5 is done. Then V5, V6, V2. V5, V6, right? V5, V6, V2, V5, right? Maybe there are more cycles, but if you check this in this graph, there are also same cycles as in graph G2. Therefore, number of cycles and length of these cycles are same in these two graphs. Therefore, G2 is isomorphic to G3.